to continue my quest to show you where to find all eBay fees for each transaction, I'm really excited to say that eBay has moved the promoted listings ad fees to the same place where you can see your final value fees and your insertion fees. So they're all in one place. It's going to be so easy to look it up. And I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you one thing to avoid that I ran into. Okay, so let's go to my awaiting shipment. I've got this ceramic vintage deer, and I'm just going to go on another tab and go to my eBay. And of course, I'm in Seller Hub, and then the payments tab, and you go to all transactions. So that's where I am right now. And if I just scroll down, since this is my most recent sale, I can see it right here. And it shows the ad fee, that's 98 cents. And then it shows the final value, what it sold for, and the final value fee is $4.70. Oh, and I want to say this is what it sold for plus shipping plus sales tax. And this is the final value fee. So if I'm going to record this on my client's sheet, since I sell on consignment, so I have to record my sales to each separate client's sheet. So I'm just going to grab that title. I'm going to look at the selling price, and that's $25. And then go to my client sheet, paste that in there. I do this part when I'm shipping it, and then I can enter if there's a ship loss there. And I'm going to go back to where the fees are, and it's $4.70 plus 98 cents. There was no insertion fee for this because I have the store. So I didn't have an insertion fee for this one. Okay, so $4.70 plus 98 cents. So eBay fees equal $4.70 plus 98 cents. And then what I do is you can do Control-Alt-M to make a comment, or you can right click and choose comment. And I say sold via promoted listings. So my clients know why the fee is higher than if it didn't sell through a promoted listing ad. Okay, now here's the thing I just wanted to point out. When I was first looking for this, I took the item number right here and copied that, and then I entered it here and searched that way instead of searching in order. And all I could see that way is the ad fee. Well, what I discovered is you actually have the ad fee that you can search by item number, and then by order number. This is the order number. Oops, I didn't mean to go there. Okay, order number. You paste that in there, and then you can see the final value fees. So if you are searching it not in order, but by order number or item number, you do have to do it two separate ways to get the ad fee and the final value fee. And that is what I wanted to show you today. And have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions.